Hey, man. Yeah, yeah. It's for well, I'll tell you. Yeah. Sorry. No, I'll shut it. You come in. Huh? No, it's Iron Man. Actually, I just wanted a nice background so the baby could see it. He came in. Um, yeah. No, actually, this is Hey, boo boo. Yeah. Actually, let me switch to the menu. The menu is more. Yeah, I'm doing great, man. I'm doing fantastic. Actually, hello. Hi. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? He's smiling. He's adorable. He is adorable. Baby, hello. Let me pick up my glass. Boo boo. Hello. He's amazing. Hello. He's amazing. Hello, boo boo. Say hello, boo boo. Hello, boo 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 boo. The first time he saw me, because I'm a stranger, he kind of frowned a little bit with his eyes because he doesn't recognize me. But now he's like mommy, daddy. Huh? Like mommy. Yeah. So it was funny. He just started to smile all of a sudden when I started to talk to him. Maybe he recognizes me. He recognizes something. Mom said yesterday when she was talking to Dad that he reminds me of her Teresa one time. Yeah. He's smart. He's smart. He's a smart one coming with his pose. Yeah, that's right. I told you about the pose thing, right? Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, and he's got Selena. Wow. Wow. Let me make sure it's recording. Yeah, good. It's still recording. Sometimes this thing doesn't. Sometimes it doesn't work with recording. Oh, he's like Jennifer Lee there. I don't think he likes too much of that sucking me though, because he kind of frowns. It's your baby, of course. You can do whatever you want, but I just noticed his expression. All of a sudden, he started going like this. How are you doing? It was adorable how he just started to laugh all of a sudden when I talked. It's like he recognized me. First look he gave me, the first interaction was kind of like frown, because he was like this. He was like, oh no wonder. That's why. Yeah. But when he looked at me, he was like, because he looked at me with the same way that people look at me when they see this. The reason is because the hyperhidrosis, the sweating thing. No. Yeah. No, yeah. Did I tell you? It's. Okay. This keeps the moisture. This keeps the moisture in. As long as I have this on, the moisture it doesn't keep producing. But yeah, it's a rare condition. Yeah, I actually emailed it to you. No, I might have a slight. I should say slight form. That was when I was kind of exaggerating, which I didn't really exaggerate. I really thought I had it, but I probably should have been more specific. Like lower, like maybe a rare or lower form. Yeah, the blood test. So you're gonna find out that, right? I sent you all the info, including I copied the third paragraph. The first two say it's from a doctor. You analyzed it for real. No, no, no. All that stuff is from your diagnosis. The only thing I didn't diagnose. Yeah, well, I know, but I didn't say you. But you did it. I just said, yeah. When I went through, they didn't even care. They said as long as you said it, they didn't say they didn't care. They didn't check. They just said, okay, you have it in there. Go with it. Now they no. Well, I'm not fronting them. It's just what I think. But I mean, that's not the most specific. Yeah. You have me diagnosed. But you said might be a rare. That's probably it's funny. He started looking. Yeah. Well, anyway, he gave me this look like no, his eyes. It was just his eyes like he like what was it like kind of just his eyes kind of like this is strange. This guy looks strange. It was so cute. But when I started talking, hey, dude, this guy's still going crazy. Yeah. I saw the videos and I was like, he looked almost the same size as me as a baby. So it's good. Yeah, he's with it. Yeah, he looks like a combination of all of them. His But he has out Jennifer. He has my feet and he has that. No, actually, yeah, the expression and I think part of the head, no, it looks like cow Jennifer. But I don't know, it's just depending on how you look at him. He looks like everybody. It's an amalgamation. That's so cute. Look at that. So does he, is anything, what's his life and stuff? Is something, he's not like sensitive or anything like that. Right? Because he's not crying or anything. Oh, does he? Maybe. Oh, yeah. I was going to tell you, maybe it's because when you hold him, you just pat his back a little bit. I mean, I don't know why he was crying, but maybe it's just, maybe it's just, hey, Mom, hey. But maybe if you hold him up and just pat him, like, you know, on his back, he might be okay. I don't know. But, yeah, he looks like, right now he looks like Jennifer. He's probably getting, it's still recording. Okay. No, let me stop recording, because sometimes the video, I have to stop it, and one video might not